welcome to the Blue Line Metals Edge here for Wednesday, March 15th. I'm Phillip Streible, Chief Market Strategist at Blue Line Futures. If you're looking at the markets here today, kind of got a mixed bag on a few different things. You've really got a lot of pressure coming from the equity markets, and it tells you right here, stock sell-off gained steam on Wednesday as spreading of the bank crisis. The S&P finally turns negative on the year. So if you look at, there's kind of a list right here of the banks that they're really watching, and it was pretty much, it's going to be right here. It's your Credit Suisse down about 25%. That was the biggest one that sold off after the Saudi National Bank said it would not provide further financial assistance. So that was really the big trigger here today. These other ones like First Republic Bank, Western Alliance, that PacWest, they've been under pressure all week. And then the other big story here is the energy markets. They really crude oil hit one of the lowest levels in more than a year. So a lot of these different energy companies are also selling off. So looking at it, I blew this out here on the chart for you to look at kind of how this Credit Suisse has been going. And this stock has just really been a dog for years. So it's not really anything new. I mean, I don't know how far back it'll extend. I guess it was at this $10 to $12 for a while. And then it's been a gradual decline. I mean, the entire year last year, this stock's been selling off. So it shouldn't be anything like new or things people weren't aware about, because that stock has been a zombie bank for quite a long time. Now, getting in the way that the market's been reacting today, you look at the dollar index, nice big move up on the dollar. Big flight to safety type trade going on right now. Shockingly, the gold market has been holding up as well. So you've got truly this flight to safety going on. And if you look at the bonds and the notes, exact same thing. Those are all both rallying here. Treasury yields in a 10-year note, 3.44, down 19 basis points. 5 years down 26 basis points. And then the 30 years down 11. So they're really coming in and they're looking at, hey, the possibility that the Fed might pause, or the amount of what's behind it, what's left, is maybe 1, 2, 3, 25 basis point rate hikes. So all your foreign currencies under a ton of pressure here today, all selling off pretty good. Silver's been a mixed bag here. It shot up pretty good on the panic buying, but it really gave back a lot of those gains. It's actually negative about 10 cents on a day. Not something you want to see from perceiving it as a safe haven asset. Platinum under a lot of pressure here. You can see that. Copper is your biggest weak link. I think copper is kind of the canary in the coal mine for the silver market and could be pulling that back as well. So, keep an eye on these markets. Stay nimble out there. One that we are starting to just kind of look at is on the crude oil market. We did add some of those smaller positions, those micros and minis. Crude oil is down about $5 right now. 66.44 on the front month. So I think we're getting close to kind of a capitulation point. So you're going to want to keep an eye on that. If you have any questions, futures option trading, give me a call, 312-858-7303. And remember that futures and option trading does involve risk loss. May not be suitable to all investors. Good luck, good trading.